How's it, guys? Welcome back to another session today. Appreciate everyone being here and thanks so much for joining today. We got Tango with us. Boris will join shortly within the next 5 minutes. But yeah, welcome, Tango. How are you doing today?
Hey Dylan, how you doing? How was your weekend?
Yeah, not so bad. And yours?
Good, man. Good. Welcome everybody.
Yeah, so just want to speak. I'm looking at the setup here for Solana.
Hmm.
Um, but basically, it's more like just a retest trade based on this trend line. I just want to. I'm not in it yet. I want to see how this level holds. Um, I want to see if like the next 15-minute candle can pop off here, and then maybe you can take long stop loss below the wick. That's what I'm thinking for Solana. But yeah, there's not much else. I was looking. Ethereum looks like it's coming down a bit, but it's still holding this range here. There is a bit of a demand zone over here, but not much. I mean, this could easily take out these lows here. So we just need to be patient. But I am looking for this Solana long. I just need to wait to see how this next 15-minute candle closes. If it closes bullish here, then I'll be looking at a long. That's not in yet. Are you looking at any setups at the moment?
Yeah. Well, first of all, today is a holiday on the U.S. market, so U.S. markets are going to be closed today. So I
Yes.
think that's going to influence the session, the trading day today. Probably going to trade on low volume. So because we don't have the ETFs trading. So we shall see what happens. I don't think we're gonna see much action today. Maybe tomorrow. It's the first day of the week, so to speak.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm not expecting much, or I mean, not not looking at opening new positions for like swing trades. I just posted one that I really like, and it's Mask. Mask is
Nice.
breaking. Yeah, it's breaking out of a multi-month consolidation. Um, so I really like that one. It's like a similar break as Link had a couple of weeks ago that we've been talking about. This one could easily break, but um, we still need to wait for confirmation because if you see the daily or the weekly chart, it has plenty of fake outs as well. So I would rather wait for the breakout to confirm and see if there's a buy opportunity on a pullback to retest the breakout line. But as you see that started like in I think it's October 2023.
Mm.
Um, when this consolidation started out of this bottom that it actually made. So I really like this setup, but yeah, it's still we need to see if it's confirmed or if we actually trade back on the range. So I rather
Yeah.
wait for a confirmation on the breakout. That's the only setup that I have that I might pull the trigger on. But the rest is I think I have like 8 positions open right now, but that those are mostly for swing trading. And yeah, I think today is going to be a day for mostly like scalping and looking for quick
Yeah.
movements. So yeah, that's what I'll be focusing on today.
I mean,
That Solana one I like the idea.
mm,
If it holds that trend line, it could bounce. So yeah,
yeah.
that's the kind of setup that I think we should be looking at.
Yeah. This is. I mean, I was looking at the chart just now. I mean, I like the mask setup for like a swing trade as well. If I go back to mask, I do like this. Because yeah, this week didn't close above the range. But whenever price closes above this range, so if this next weekly candle closes above here, then you know, yeah, you're right. Looking at quite a nice.
Yeah, we could see a nice move. I think I put my first target at like below 5, and then it can go as high as 7. I think if
Yeah,
we get a breakout. So we shall see. But yeah, it looks good. I mean, there's a lot of setups, but it's hard because last couple of days on Bitcoin, we had a little bit of a distribution. We had a much needed pullback, but it was bought. like right away. So we'll see if we resume the uptrend maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I think there's a lot of setups that are looking really good.
Have a look at. So this is H bar. So I was looking at this. So H bar is basically breaking above this weekly range.
Yeah.
So if H bar closes above this range on the weekly time frame, I do think that it has like 100% move to the upside, because H bar hasn't really done much compared to like the other cryptos, like Chainlink's kind of ripped out of its bear market lows, Solana's ripped out of it, but H bar hasn't really. So I'm expecting once we start closing above this level here, it should rip back up to these highs over here.
Yeah, it looks good. Do we have that one on the futures?
Now, this is more for spots, I guess. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, just trying to look
it
at.
looks good.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
I was looking at this. Yeah, so this is like these are like my ranges for Sweet today. So I was looking at basically these are my trading ranges in the green. So within this range over here, the middle range, it's kind of like my no trade zone. But I was waiting for a 1 hour candle to close above 0.9660. But we haven't got that yet, so I didn't take it long. But if we start closing back below this range over here, I'll probably look for a short back down to these lows. But yeah, this is something that I'm looking at now. But the market looks like it's starting to retrace a little bit. So we could potentially look for some shorts. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, normally we could see a range bound trading day today. So maybe looking
Yeah,
for bounces of the lows or shorts at the top could work today. Unless
even
we
this.
get a breakout on Bitcoin or a breakdown, but yeah.
Like even this for SWE, like you could potentially long this support over here.
Yeah.
But yeah, these candles are telling me that there's quite a lot of selling pressure at the moment. So yeah, it's difficult to take this, but yeah, we'll see. Solana,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
see. Yeah, so we're waiting for this. Well, waiting for this long for Solana. Just want to see if this can hold. I want to see if we can hold. Yeah, it's gonna have to wait for like the next 15-minute candle here to see if we can start closing it back above the range. I'll only take this trade if we start closing above. But yeah, until then, we just have to be patient. We do have to
Yeah.
be patient. Looks like Ethereum is actually flipping here. Let's see.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Solana looks good. Could
Yeah,
get a reversal, at least a temporary reversal. We could get a nice trade.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because it made this huge igniting bar, and now it's selling off from the top, like four straight bars on the 15.
Yeah, exactly.
So we got 5 minutes left until the bar closes. I think if it
Yeah,
closes like in a hammer kind of way, it could potentially be a long entry. Yeah.
exactly. I took this long for TIA this morning in my live stream.
Oh, Ti is on a descending trend line. That broke.
Yeah,
Yeah, it needs to hold there. If it holds there, it's been acting a little bit weaker than usually lately,
as it.
even with the latest Bitcoin rally. So there could be some distribution there at the top, but if the selling is over, it could resume. I'm actually looking at that one too. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've been holding this since my live since 12/1. So
Yeah.
it's more of a swing trade. Like I'm basically targeting these highs, like 20.5, 21. So it's like a 10% range. So I did like a 7x leverage on this one, but we'll see. It's still holding, so it still looks quite good. Yeah, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I think Solana it's looking good. That
Sorry.
last bar.
Yeah,
This last
look at this.
I like that
This is,
last bar. Let's
this
see
is
how it closes.
yeah, this is pretty
But
much the only start
yeah,
going. I'm looking
I
at
was just gonna
yeah,
go
yeah, go
ahead.
for it.
So
Like
let me just pull out my my target and my stop there. Yeah, there could be
there's gonna be a bounce here.
it could be a bounce here. Yeah, risk reward ratio doesn't look that great though. But I'll take this risk reward ratio anytime. It's for me it's around 236, which is good. I'll place my stop the low of that last bar and should entry. I'm gonna enter now.
Yeah, I'm entering as
Uh,
well.
yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna wait for the candle closing because it looks good.
This is a beautiful setup because um, whenever what do I like to see, especially like if you're looking for long, you want to see the candle create that bottom wick like it just did now, and
Yeah,
then flips bullish like it's doing now. So
yeah. That's one of the most bullish candles you can look for, like a hammer or a doji. You know, because it's right at the highs.
yeah, let's see how this
So
one
yeah,
goes.
I'm actually long as well.
Yeah, so guys, we did take a long here for Solana. Stop loss just below this wick, and potential take profits. I mean, you can look at like TP1 at 114, and then TP2 at like 115 for like a small scalp here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I do think the market's going to bounce here. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, see what's happening there. Let's have a look here. BTC.
Yeah, Bitcoin is closing on kind of the same bar, like a doji or a hammer.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. Like that.
So it looks good, yeah. What else we're looking at? SEI maybe? Let's see. What is that?
Yeah, I mean, SEI, to be honest with you, I do think that it's going to bounce because it is at support, I guess. So could potentially look at a long here.
Yeah, it's SEI has like strong support right there, right at the what is the
Yeah,
level around 0.9380, something like that.
I'm actually going to take this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to look at this. Take profit at these highs. Stop loss just below this level here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, it looks good too.
Let's see if we can get this bounce. Yeah, Ethereum as well. Like it's still holding this range, which is this demand zone. So, I mean, everything's kind of looking like it's going to flip because even with ETH, like the market structure is just really bullish. It's really, really strong. So, yeah, I do think that Ethereum could even pump here as well. TIA is bouncing nice. I like this. I do like this. Yeah, so if you're looking, guys, if you're looking for this trade, this is more of a swing trade for me. Targeting a 10% range. 20.5 to 21. That's what I'm looking at. So I did go low on the leverage, yeah, but yeah, let's see. Solana looking good still. Yeah, look at this 15 close. Yeah, it's a beautiful 15 close, yeah. And then SEI is actually bouncing nicely.
Yeah.
It's a nice flip. Nice flip.
Yeah, I'm long both. I'm long Solana and SEI.
Yeah, as well.
See if this bounce plays out. Solana I might take some out at right below this this candle in the 15, which stands at the highs of this bar is 114.51. Might take like 25% or 50% of the position out there, and I'll just hold the rest for longer. Maybe
like
we
that.
get 115. That'll be like a 1.76 ratio for me, and the rest at 2.3. It's not. It's nice. It's probably an average of 190, which is good.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see.
Yeah, Bitcoin. I mean, the demand it's having is just crazy. I mean, we had this. I thought we were going to go lower. To be honest, on what was it on Saturday? I think it was like because we had this 2 distribution days, like both topping out 52,800, 52,600, and I thought it was like distribution. Then on the third day we got to close below that, so I thought it was going to be a more aggressive sell-off. But as soon as it was about to touch what was that? Yeah, like 50k. That'd be 50k, 50k, 400. Got a massive bounce off there. I mean, there was a lot of bidding, and then we are now just resuming and like hovering just below that resistance again. So that tells you that there's still strong demand for Bitcoin, and I think it's going to keep that way for a while. So the thing is, you have to be patient because you don't know when it can break. But to like get ahead of yourself and just wait for your triggers and for your setups. I think that's what we should do here. But yeah, it looks good. I'm not sure if it's gonna break today though. But if it just consolidates right there and just like on the 4 hour, if it trades on the range of 52,600 and maybe around 5,600 or 5,400, which is the breakout, I'll be happy.
Yeah, exactly.
Also because I have like 8 longs opened and I don't have any hedges. I don't have any shorts to hedge against. So
yeah, I agree. I mean, I'm quite bullish. I'm looking at render as well. Like this could easily flip here.
Oh yeah, that one is acting really well too.
I want to see. I'm gonna put like a bar stop here on. Yeah, because there's this 5 minute zone here. If this next 5 minute candle flips bullish here, then I'm gonna take a long back up to these highs. Let's see. Let's see if we can flip bullish here. The market structure is still bullish, so let's see. Let's see how this flips.
Yeah. So what else we're looking at here?
Let's see.
I'm trying to break on ING as well. This one has been really difficult to trade because there's a lot of wicks, there's a lot of back and forth trading, and ING looks difficult. I mean, it is actually difficult to trade. I've been waiting for it to. Let me share my screen for a second.
Yeah, sure. How's Boris?
Hey,
Boris.
Hey guys. Yeah, I'm only gonna really join to say hi because it's like President's Day back in the U.S. So.
Yeah. Happy holidays. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Washington Thursday, right?
Yeah. It's all the presidents' birthdays technically.
It's all the presidents. Okay.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know the history. I'm not exactly this. But yeah, I'm not really gonna do any lower time frame trading today, but I just wanted to get your guys' thoughts on the higher time frames because I am in some swing positions on Ethereum on the daily. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the daily close, but I think if Bitcoin can close above like 50 52.3. I think it's gonna go higher. It's like 55, in the upper 50s.
Yeah, I was thinking about that in my live as well today. 55 to like even 60 is possible. Like I don't know, like. But I mean, if you look at the previous daily candle closure as well, like it closed above the range. This candle's been holding the whole day. So I'm still quite bullish on the market at the moment. The WorldCoin's been pumping, eh? Yeah.
That's crazy because every day I've been watching it and it goes up like it just goes up.
And it looks like all the AI coins are starting to pump. Like this coin,
Fetch.
yeah.
You guys trade Fetch.ai, FET.
Yeah.
FET, yeah, crazy break, and
I was actually
WorldCoin as well, man. It's been massive.
Yeah, I was actually short on FET. I got stopped out. That was annoying.
Yeah, this is, I don't know. This is looking funny.
I missed the entry on WLD, unfortunately. It's like parabolic now.
It's been difficult to get a entry on WLD because it's just so straight up.
Yeah, it's just straight up like this 30%, 50% bars. That's just ridiculous.
Yeah. Apparently, it has like some token unlock coming up, like worth 350 million. So maybe that's what's causing.
So all those guys that had their iris scam, they're gonna make money now. How does it work?
I got my ass, and they came to the office. But
did you get paid right away, or you have to like wait?
You get every week. You get like you get one WorldCoin every single week.
Okay. Don't you think it's crazy? Or like
Yeah, it's a bit.
Let those guys get your iris scanned.
Yeah, it's a bit like invasion of privacy. I don't know. It's a bit weird.
So you basically get $7 a week for holding this coin.
Yeah,
it's pretty good. It's like maybe a meal in some countries.
No, exactly. I mean, it's
a Big Mac.
All right. Yeah, the founder actually came to the office. So.
They went to the office there in Dubai.
Yeah.
So the whole CoinW staff has.
Pretty much. Yeah. I'm waiting for this Rendar setup, but it looks like a bit more downside. I don't know. I wish H bar was on futures because I would take this. There's so much upside.
H bar. That's the one you showed.
Yeah, I really wanted to be on futures CoinW. Bitcoin's still holding, but let's see.
I'm just concerned because it's like a market holiday in the U.S. So this move that we had over the weekend could be like faded by the time the equity or futures markets open back in New York.
Exactly. I mean, Solana's still holding. Yeah. So, I mean, Ethereum is really bullish to me.
Yeah, Ethereum looks okay. Solana, maybe bouncing off there. Got the 21 EMA. If you can stay above the moving averages there, like it's actually same level as the descending the trend line. I think that's could be a good area to hold.
Looks like SEI looks like it's ready to push. Let's see. Let's see. So is like for the president's holidays, everyone off today?
Well, it's a bank holiday in the U.S. So like a lot of people like in the financial industry are off, but
Yeah.
schools are closed. But like most other people, they go to work, so it's not like a big holiday, but it's still
Okay.
it's just like a public, like no one really like celebrates and like has like dinners or anything for presidents. It's just
Yeah, I was wondering,
it's
like,
just
do you
no, it's not like
go
that.
see,
It's like
go see your family and stuff?
no, no, not on President's Day.
Okay.
We don't have any major news this week, right? I checked this morning, but I can't
No,
remember.
there's much.
Yeah, the beige book, but that doesn't move the markets usually.
Tomorrow is nothing. Wednesday.
No, the minutes, yeah,
Yeah, I guess.
minutes. The 21st.
Unemployment
We got
claim.
GDP growth. February 28th. That's next week. Yeah, that's end of the month.
Yeah, that will do something.
There's nothing this week.
Boris, what do you think of this setup?
On TIA.
Yeah, I took a long this morning. Looking to hold like 21.
Could probably work. I mean, it's been pretty bullish. I was short on it, but I got out of my short like 2 days ago. So I mean, it's probably going to continue higher, just like everything else. If the market continues rallying.
Let's see. I think Sweet's gonna bounce.
Yeah, I've been noticing that. Yeah, like those like trend line breaks have been working pretty well.
They have been.
Yeah.
In this type of market, these breakout markets, they do work quite well.
Yeah, you can kind of like get away with like being more aggressive, like when like an asset like breaks a horizontal resistance, you can just go long, or it breaks a diagonal, you just go long. Like you don't have to be like very like, as bad as it sounds, you don't have to be like so like precise and accurate.
Yeah, I agree.
Which is like kind of a problem for me, because I like to, like find good setups, and then when I see something that's like very overextended, I'm like, oh, I'm not taking this. It's too overextended. I'll wait for a pullback. So then I try to choose something that's not too overextended, but then the coin that's like overextended just keeps on pumping, while the one I select is like barely moving. It's so annoying.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys. Yeah, I'll be back for the full session on Wednesday. So,
Cool luck, everyone.
All right, guys. Safe trading.
You too.
Have a great day.
Looks like Sweet looks quite good, yeah.
Sweet.
It's not too bad. Solana needs to flip still.
Sweet. SUI. I'm actually not long SUI. Sorry, I'm SEI. I mixed those two up.
As well, it's SEI. Yeah,
SEI. Yeah, sorry. SEI. Yeah. It looks like a triple test of the support. So that got me. And after the close of that bar, I think it's due for a bounce. So yeah, it's SEI. SUI. No.
Yeah, my bad.
Yeah, me too. I mixed them up.
SUI. What's happening with SUI?
Solana, the bar closed below. I don't like that much Shall see what happens
Yeah.
here.
Don't like that either. Might actually just cut this. Let's see.
But yeah, I mean, when you, at least for me, when I'm scalping, there's a saying that says that you should be patient with your winners and not impatient with your losers, right? So I think it
Exactly.
applies even more with scalping. So, like, if you don't like the bar how it closed, you just get out, you know, and
Yeah.
take a smaller loss and then try to find a re-entry, and that's how you scalp. You know, you just cut your losses short and quick, and then move on, and on to the next trade. That's why it's so difficult for so many people to scalp or do day trading. It's because you need to get rid of your positions where you're wrong really fast without hesitating, and then that's when
Exactly.
then that's when problems start. So I think it's the most difficult part of scalping or trading short term.
A lot of people like to hold on their losses for longer because they think it's going to flip, or they think it's going to.
Yeah. That's a recipe for disaster.
TIA does look good there.
TIA.
The 1 hour, the last bottom work, it needs to close like
yeah, it looks good. It's good.
The problem is this resistance.
Yeah, I'm not long, but I might go long if it breaks again this descending trend line. I might enter there. It's getting really tight. That's the thing.
It is.
Yeah, this is narrowing down the range here, so should expect that you move soon. TIA.
Let's see if this can flip here. I still like the look of SCI.
SCI.
Render. Still waiting for render.
Let me share my screen for a second.
Yeah, sure.
I'm looking at this setup that I want to show you. I really like the trade as well. I'm still seeing your screen, I think.
I can't. I don't think you share it. It should come up at the bottom right, right?
Okay. That's because I wasn't sharing, I think.
Okay.
That's why. Sorry.
No worries.
There.
There we go.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Cool. All right, so let me get rid of this. So this is a pattern I like to trade. I usually trade this on higher time frames, but here the 15, look, the 30. It's also matching up, which is something I really like when you have like confluence on time frames. This is a falling wedge pattern. So this is when there's a steep decline with that is actually narrowing down like this and contracting like this. It usually also tends to break out on volatility. So if we get a break, or at least a little bit more consolidation around here, get a break out of this descending trend line, this could be a nice bounce, nice place for a bounce. So I'm also going to be looking to get into this one if you get a bounce. For this, it's if you're going to play intraday, you really have to check on Bitcoin as well, what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin has to hold, of course, this has to hold this support area first and foremost, and we need to get a bounce on Bitcoin, so it matches up as well as it was already right.
Yeah, it does actually.
Yeah. So yeah,
I like this a
the
lot.
15, the 30s also. The 1 hour looks good. The 4 hour doesn't make sense anymore, but on lower time frames, it looks really good. For a look in the 5 minute as well. This is a pattern that I like. I like a lot. It usually works. I'm not saying it's a high probability pattern, but it does tend to play out and work out if the market behaves the same way. So yeah, that's another one I'm gonna get in for. Probably look. This is for a. I'm actually long. Let me show you. I'm actually long. I actually brought. I wanted to buy on the pullback here, but we never got to 65. So I had a bit around here. We never got there. So we're consolidating here like a bull flag that I'm expecting to break. I took a long on this break. It's actually failing for now. So, but I could average it around here. So I'll probably take a long around here and then average this long. So this means that I could hold for longer if I get a nice clean break, because this should be a better entry.
Yeah, I like it.
The other option that I have when I manage this kind of risks, I could even potentially take the loss on the breakout. Could potentially take the loss on this. My stop is around here, so it's fine. I lose like probably 50%, but then I get a re-entry on a much better price, and you actually feel more comfortable as well. So yeah, that's something I might do as well. But yeah, for now I'm gonna just wait out to see how it plays out.
Yeah, I like to look at that a lot.
Yeah. I think we can push higher. I think we're due for a bounce because we're probably gonna trade range bound today. So it'll be nice to see if we get a bounce up to the highs again from here.
Yeah.
It's Solana
Yes.
doing now.
Check
So
SER. Pumping.
SCI looking good, man. SCI, I will take some off around here, just below the 21 EMA, which is 95.74. Might take like 50%, 95.65 or 70.
Yeah, looks good.
Yes, yeah.
Solana just needs to break above that band.
I like Solana too. So you can stay above.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm stop sharing my screen. I'll stop now.
Yeah, it looks like we're getting that tap. I'm gonna take 50% off here for SEI. Okay, so close 50% here. That Tango just mentioned at 75, 74, around about this area. Just because we have quite a strong level, you can see price has been trading above here, and then acted as support, and then we flipped it, acted as resistance. So it's an ideal place to take profits for scalping. So gonna let the rest run here and just move stop loss to break even. I don't see the point of.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is good. See how far we can ride this up here. Solana looks good as well. Looks like it's starting to close back above. Let's see how this 15. If this 15-minute candle closes like this is a good sign for continuation.
Yeah, Solana is fighting right there. It's trying to see if it closes above or at the highs of the last bar, the previous bar, it would be nice. We're still hanging over that trend line, so that's good.
Yeah. Actually,
Ethereum is
yeah, Ethereum is pumping. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm not sharing. My bad. Yeah, so we were saying we took profit for took some profit for SEI. We moved stop loss to break even, and then we'll just leave the rest. Maybe it pumps back up to $1. It could, because it's at support, right? And if Bitcoin carries on pumping, it's starting to get rejected now, but we need Bitcoin to start moving a bit here. But we'll see how this holds. Yeah. ICP actually looks good as well. I was looking at this.
ICP?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's testing support.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't know about this, to be honest. It does look. It's the 4-hour support, so slash resistance. Yeah, this could be a bounce.
Yeah. 50-minute bar is about to close. I don't like it on Bitcoin. If you check it, it's closing at the lows.
Yeah, I don't like that at all.
Yeah. Experience to me.
Yeah, technically this is not a good sign because it just looks like a retest of this previous level. So
what I'll do is this is another setup that I like to trade or another play, and it's like this is if we break 52 area, which I think is support. I think there's probably a lot of stops from longs hanging in there. So if we get a flush of those stops and we trade below, and then we reclaim that level, we trade back above the 52K, I might get in long, probably for a scalp, but I might even hold it to see if we resume the uptrend tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna wait to see if we get back below 52K. I'll see how it behaves first of all, because we might get we might get a sell-off there. So, but if we get a nice range, like volume range bar, and then we trade back above, that might get me in long.
Yeah,
There's probably a lot of longs sitting. I bet there's a lot of stops around that area.
yeah,
That's something that happens a lot. I mean, the market makers and the algos like to play this out all the time. That's where they get the liquidity as well. So so they have access to where the stops are, most of them. So they usually squeeze all those stops, and that makes for the move sometimes in the intraday market. So that's something that I've seen a lot in the past. So I like to identify those ranges where there could be a lot of stop squeezing, so to speak.
exactly.
Yeah. So we shall see.
Yeah, exactly. Got a comment update on TIA. Yeah, TIA. I'm still long in TIA. For me, like as long as it holds this level here, like the support of like 18.62, I'm still gonna keep it long in. Like the problem is this double top over here on the 4 hour. This like it couldn't close above here. So earlier I was hoping that price would close above this level here, and then we see a bottom wick, and then a bullish. But it seems like the market is reacting to that level. So we'll see how this holds. But yeah, I'm still going to be in this position, to be honest. There's no reason for me to get out. SCR still holding. Solana's still holding. So
Yeah, still trying. Still trying. We've seen a little bit of diversion as well intraday on Ethereum against Bitcoin. Ethereum looks stronger than Bitcoin today. It's trading 0.70% up, while Bitcoin is break even. So we might see this today. I see a little bit more inflows onto Ethereum. Let's see what we have.
Let's have a look. ETH BTC. ETH BTC. Let's have a look. Yeah. I mean, ETH looks really, really strong. We have this level. What is this level here? Actually, technically, this should be over here. Actually, yeah, this just looks like a retest for ETH BTC. I mean, looks like ETH is going to go a lot higher, back up to in terms of Bitcoin, and I think that would also bring the altcoins a bit higher. So, yeah, I remain quite bullish in the market. There's nothing. I wouldn't be bearish at the moment. I'll only
Check Solana on the 1 hour chart. I like it. If it closes, I think it closes in 11 minutes or so.
Yeah, I mean, if that closes like that,
have a close there. Yeah.
50 minutes, that's nice. Yeah, this looks clean. Still looks clean. Nothing to worry about here. Bitcoin seems to be holding.
Yeah, just hanging in there.
Yeah, there's not much volume today now actually because of the President's Day. So we might have to wait for tomorrow for a bit more volume.
Yeah, definitely. Today is not as I said before, it's not a great day to like open new positions maybe for longer time frames, unless you see something that is actually breaking a level with authority and volume. Uh,
Yeah.
might just skip it or wait until we get the U.S. markets trading back again.
So not much else, guys. Not much else.
Yeah, no, just just checking just browsing through the basket of tokens I have here, but there's nothing really much to do other than just waiting to see the positions we open, how they play out. But
H bar. Oh, this coin's in a pump.
yeah.
Yeah, like Tango was saying, if there's 1 hour candle in 7 minutes closes like this for Solana, it's a really good indication that we might see more upside. So still like to look at this. Nothing really to worry about. Bitcoin looks like it's going to start closing back above the range we have over here. So let's see. This could be a fake out for Bitcoin to the downside. So which is a good indication for long, right? So let's see. Yeah, we'll go over the positions again. I think we'll call it a stream. So Solana, we are long. We put our stop loss just below this wick at 112.07. Take profit 1 would be at these highs over here at around about 114.23. And then take profit 2 would be at like 115.5. And then SCR, we took a bit of profit, 50% at 0.9574. And then we put our stop loss to break even. And we're looking, if it breaks above these highs at like 9765, we might see a push back up to $1 for SEI. So you can look to hold this with your stop loss at break even. And then for me, TIA, more long-term trade, looking to target 20.5, 21. And yeah, those are the setups. And then we also have Audi, I think Tango was mentioning.
Yeah, Audi is still. It violated the lower trend line twice, but it got bought both times, so still playing out. Gonna have to wait to see if it breaks the upward trend line. If it does, I'll get in. But yeah, other than that, then I don't see much else happening right now.
We're looking at this for early potential setup. If we break above here, look to take a long back up to the highs, and then we'll stop loss just below the wick over here. This would be a good setup. Have a look at this as well. But yeah, we need to see the 15-minute candle close above this level for this to be valid. And yeah, those are the trades. Not much else happening. Yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining in. And yeah, thanks, Tango. Good luck for your live. You have another live stream a bit later. So make sure you guys go watch that. Yeah, you can easily just subscribe. We spoke about it. You can just go on the app, go to live stream, and then just subscribe so you get notified when Tango goes live. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, guys. And see you on Wednesday.
Yeah, see you everybody on my stream later on, and then you catch up on Wednesday, Dylan.
Cheers.
Have a great day.
Cheers.